How to share screen on Discord mobile. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on the Discord mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Discord app. And now go to the server where you want to share your screen. Now here go to voice channel and select the channel where you want to share your screen. Now here join the channel, and now to share your screen here you have to swipe up, and here you will see the share your screen option. So tap on it to share your screen. Tap on start now. And now the screen sharing has started. To stop the screen sharing, open your Discord app and tap on stop sharing. So this is how you can share screen on Discord mobile. Thanks for watching.